Alrighty then, welcome to video probability 12, the OR formula for cards. And I'm doing question 10 because I got all excited about being done with the cards and I forgot to see this one, question 10. It actually looks really simple. However, there's a key word in here and it's right there. And anytime you see the word set, in other words, when you're pulling a bunch of things out at the same time, you got to be careful because you're going to have to bring back combinations. So I'm going to do this. Marbles are numbered 1 to 15 and they're placed in a bag. Okay. It's not a big sample set, so 1. All right, so there's my numbers. And it says a set of 3 marbles is drawn from the bag. So again, that set is what, wait, I'm just going to move this up. You guys have the notes there. So a set of 3 marbles. If we picked them one at a time, it would be different, but because we're pulling all three at a time, it's going to be a combination. So I'm going to start with my sample space, which we haven't really had to work too hard on. I mean, we were doing cards. There's 52. That's our only choice. So there are 15 marbles, and we're going to choose 3. Oh gosh, golly. I do not have my calculator with me. Hold on, I'll be right back. Down calculator. All right, I got lazy and I found this on my phone. So there's 15 marbles, and I'm gonna choose 3, and I'm gonna hit calculate. And there's a formula. It's 455. So that is our sample space. All right, now the question, going back to it, it says, what is the probability that all of them are odd numbered? Okay. I think we're gonna have to do this in bits. All right, so odd numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to say 8 out of 455, but this is why this is a tricky question. There's 8 of them, and I got to choose 3. So back to here. 8. Choose 3. Calculate. It's 56. Because from this thing, there's 56 different sets. So I could choose a 1, a 3, and a 5. I could choose a 9, and 11, and 15. Okay, so 56 out of 455. That's our first part. And now if I go back to our question, that all the numbers are odd, or all 3 marbles show greater than 6. So greater than 6 is going to be those guys. Put G for greater than 6 is equal to, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Choose 3. So back to my handy dandy doodad here. 9, Calculate. All right. But now I'm looking and going, Notice up here how some of them are both circled and in blue. Right, so we got some overlap. So let's do that. So the probability of odd, no, I should use something else, but we'll use odd, and greater than 6. So let's see how many options we have there. So now I'm going to count the ones that are I'm going to count only the ones that are circled and in blue. So it's just going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's both. So I've got 5, and I'm still picking 3 at a time. This is a tougher question than I thought it was. But that's okay. Stuff is good. Stuff doesn't hurt us. Should be a smaller number. All right. And that's going to be 10 out of 455. So now I'm going to go back and reread my question. So we got the marbles and probability that 3 marbles are odd or all 3 marbles are greater than 6. Okay, so now we can actually do the formula. If you can do all of this stuff in the formula all at once, I am so proud of you. I am not that person. I got to do it bit by bit, and now I'm going to reassemble it into the formula. So the probability of odd or greater than 6 is the probability of odd plus the probability of greater than 6 minus the overlap. Whoops. My bad. And now I can use all these bits that I figured out. So 56 out of 455 plus greater than, that was 84 out of 455 minus overlap, which we figured out was going to be 10 over 455. All right, that's too much legwork today. So 56 plus 84 minus 10 is 130. Divided by 4. Whoopsies. 130 divided by 455. Boom. No, I don't know what I typed in there, but that can't be it because this looks like, I don't know, that just looks wrong. 130 divided by 455. That looks a lot better. 0.29. All righty, there we go. There is question 10 on P12. Sorry, it wasn't in the original video. Have a lovely day.